All of the data import files used by DVAAPBase offer several optional custom fields where you can include extra information that is specific to your company workforce or activities. These are shown in the Import Fields document. Each import file allows 2 custom numeric fields, 2 custom date fields, and 2 custom text fields. Now, the workforce file is a special case since it is used in compensation analysis, which often requires several custom fields. The workforce file allows 15 custom numeric fields, 10 custom date fields, and 10 custom text fields. These are often used in regression analysis and other compensation detail reports. As you can see in the field description document, all of these custom fields have generic names: num1, num2, date1, date2, and so forth. Now, that's not very informative. So in order for reports to be easier to read and import files to be easier to prepare, you can set your own field names to use for these custom fields. Then whenever these fields are shown in DVAAPBase or in the reports, the field names you choose will be shown rather than these generic names. To set your custom field names, open the Settings screen, and then select the Report Settings tab, and then click on the Custom Names button here. This is the Custom Field Name Manager. At the top, you can see the current custom name set that is being used. Now, what is a name set? Well, once you set up your custom names, there's a good chance you will use those same names in multiple data sets. So a name set is just all of your custom names saved for future use. You can change the current name set by selecting the desired set from the drop-down box. To create a new name set, click on the Create New Name Set button, and then enter a name for your name set. And optionally, you can enter a note or description about the set here. Now, in this grid are shown all of the import files and each of their optional custom fields. Now, if you want to use your own name for any of these fields, just enter a long name and a short name for that field. The long name is a more descriptive name that will be used when there's plenty of room to display field names. And the short name is used for reports, and it's also the header used in import files. Long names can contain pretty much anything, but short names cannot contain any punctuation, and they can't be longer than 12 characters. You cannot give 2 fields in the same import file the same name. For example, in the workforce file here, I can't give these 2 fields, both give them the name raise amount, because there would be no way to tell the difference between these 2 fields. So let's call this one raise amount. The short name that will be used as the header will just be raise amount. Now, when you have the names entered as desired, just click Save Changes, and you can see the new set becomes the currently selected set. Now, wherever you use these fields in DVAAPBase, the custom names will be shown.